CODECPLUS. On the left screen, I've listed all the part codes that are available for this platform, along with bundles that include this within them. Okay, so they all come with the touchscreen 10, the Room Plus P60 bundle that comes with a P60 camera, just a single one camera. You can order this also with the QUADCAM, okay, and also there is a non-radio version. I haven't seen any of those, but I would imagine since it's a different part number that they are actually a different codec, well, same platform, but coded to be only non-radio. I would imagine they're not upgradable between the two, but I'm sure somebody will correct me if I'm wrong. They both include the 8 meter presentation cable, HDMI cable. Both bundles include the flat grey Ethernet cable, and they both come with table microphones. It's the latest E-table microphone. That one, it comes with the Euroblock connector, and don't forget the 3 meter patch cable as well.